Good morning, friends. I hope you all okay. Today is a Saturday, and me and my little boy going out. It's about 10:30 in the morning. It's very quiet. I live in Nottingham, obviously, and I'm going to a place called Carlton Hill. And I can show you the traffic is very quiet. I said very quiet and his car don't stop coming. Oh my god. And it's very shining and it's lovely morning. It's a bit chilly, but it's lovely morning. It stopped raining from yesterday. I don't know about later on. That's my little boy there, friends. My boy said he likes to show his funny face to you, friends. Can you see it? Woo! He lost his tooth. You can see, friends, it's a lovely morning, sun shining. We got our local Tesco here, friends. From here now is all up the hill to walk. And I don't know, my boy can do it, but I said to him, come on, let's walk. It's a bit of exercise for you and me. That's why we try to walk. It's very hilly up here, friends. It's gonna be hard work for my little one, but we're gonna try it, eh? This is view from here, friends. I'm just taking the video. Yeah. Okay, friends, we're nearly on the top now. And we got nice few shops here. We did it. We walked very slow and took our time. Oh my god, took long time, but it was alright. We had a good conversation, talking, and then we are here now, friends. Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I got half a chicken here. I'm going to make chicken curry with a bit of gravy. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic, and that's the ginger I'm gonna use, and half of onion for my chicken curry. My pan is ready to add my oil. I'm adding a oil for chicken. I'm not gonna add too much oil. Then after oil, I'm gonna add some cumin seeds. Then I'm gonna add some onion. I fry onion until they get brown. I've got a few here. They are a dried chili. They are green, but they're dried. I'm gonna add them, and then I'm gonna add turmeric powder, then I'm gonna add my chicken. Now I'm going to add my ginger and garlic crust. After my ginger and garlic, I'm going to add curry powder, 1.5 spoon, and 1 spoon is garam masala, salt as your taste. I put 1.5. Then I'm going to put chili powder, 2 spoons. I'm gonna make it hot, and you see earlier and I add some green chilies as well. And I'm gonna mix it up. I mixed all the spice. Now I let it cook a bit, and then you'll be surprised. Next, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to add borrcauli with the chicken, and I'll show you when I'm adding it. Now friends, my chicken is cooked nicely with all spice. You can see it's fried up nicely. Now I'm going to add borrcauli. I haven't done this before. I think it will be alright. I cooked chicken before with the beans, but not with borrcauli. And then I'll show you when it's ready, friends. Hello friends, my chicken is ready. Now I'm going to add coriander and spring onion, and it's ready to serve. You can have this is with the rice or chapati or naan bread. I hope you like my recipe. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you. Hello friends, namaste. Welcome back to Mero Mitho Mukbang YouTube channel. I hope you all okay. Today I got rice and I got chicken curry cooked with borrcauli, and I made a bit of salad. And I put chicken curry recipe. I hope you like it, and please watch my video and subscribe. Thank you. In the salad I made cucumber, radish, lettuce leaf, baby spinach, onion, carrots, and I put pepper, black pepper, salt and lemon juice, and other thing I put apple in it. Apple in the salad makes it nice tasty flavor. Wow. That's my chicken curry there, friends. Okay, I'm gonna start eating now, friends. I hope you enjoy my video. My family is sitting in the dining room and they're just talking about me, obviously. Oh, she said that already. Oh, she said that already, they're saying. Okay, friends. Nice.
Where did that come from?
Netherfield Demon. I bought it from.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah. Nice.
Not as good as Mansfield. Well, not as good as Mansfield.
Salad.
Enjoy the big ones.
Yesterday I didn't have time to make a video. Finish.
plate. No space to put it.
Put it there. On the hob. It's hot. Careful, the hob is hot.
He likes his sausages today.
Yeah, he said, oh, I got that again tonight. I had that last night, he said. Got some chili sprays. Oh, I got one there. Oh, making me cough. Did Dad finish his dinner?
I'm time to pee. Gonna be a replay. Load them up, we go, that's the best one.
Chicken.
That is the best way. Roast meat, please. Well, I enjoyed that, Mama.
Yeah? Good.
What you got in the oven?
Crumble. I made a bit of crumble.
What's the one?
A rhubarb and apple.
I would say, frozen noodle,
Yeah.
the garden.
Yeah.
Very nice too.
So nice.
Don't forget them avos there. She's got them avocados here. That'll be no good.
That's for dinner tomorrow.
Are they for you lunch?
Today I've been so lazy, I haven't done anything. I'm talking. We went out for dinner last night and then went bed about 12 o'clock and I couldn't sleep. Getting hot now. This is warm water. Where are you looking? Yeah, because of hot chili heat. I'm gonna have some rice, friends. Just a bit of rice, friends. To eat this gravy. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. It was so lovely, this dinner. I enjoyed it and hope you like my video. Please watch my video and subscribe. Bye. See you on the next video, friends.